happy November to you all the expatriates in the UAE, and also you that is out there in the US, in the UK, wherever you are as an expatriate. Happy new month to you. We are ending the year 2025, and I want to appreciate God for the fact that He's given us life. How I believe that we've all managed to achieve at least a half, 50% of all the plans that we had planned to do, achieve in the year 2025. And if at all you did not move even a given inch, a small inch towards your development or achievement, don't give up. 2026, I ask that you reprogram yourself and purpose to achieve those dreams. All right, so at Jex Barista Training Institute, or Jex Institute for Baristas and Roasters, I know several of you are asking us why we should come, why we should ask you to come and do this course. Now, like I've told you, it's an institute well registered under Ministry of Education UAE. It's approved by the government of UAE, and it is well housed in a very elegant environment. It is equipped with trainers that are certified. Yes, they have knowledge and skill and professionalism to do you a very good job professionally. And besides that, we are having training materials that are well programmed and stated. Yes, the curriculum, as approved by the Ministry of Education, enables the trainers not to go off topic. They're always teaching you as per the standard. Yes, the community, you that is taking coffee business, the SEA. And then thereafter, remember, at the end of the course, you're getting yourself an attested diploma certificate. Now, I didn't tell you yet. Here in the institute, you have a number of courses that you can choose to do. You can do a specialty barista course, you can do a pastry course, you can do a roasters course. All those courses are awarded with a diploma certificate from Ministry of Education. Now, the other bit is that why we would encourage you to come and study with us. Fees is user friendly. It's only 2,000 dirham for you who wants to do a specialty barista course. It's only 1,000 dirham for somebody that wants to do pastry, and only 10,000 dirham for you that wants to do a roasters course. Payment plan is installment. You can come with any amount of money you want to pay. Yes, and then pay the balance in bits as per your ability, as long as you make sure that before you complete the course, you are done with the payment. The other bit is that the training program is stipulated in such a way that you are attended in your free time. People come here in their convenient time. Some people want to come early morning and they do their classes then. Others come in the mid-morning, others come in the afternoon, in the evening, and in the night, because we are working Monday to Sunday, 7 a.m. to midnight. When you are comfortable to come and attend classes, you are free to come. Remember, we are training adults, and that is you and you and you. So we take you respectively, and we also understand that you have programs elsewhere, you have jobs. We also allow people attend classes in their off day. We allow people come, and attend classes in their vacation. Yeah, there are people coming from far. Of recent, we've had people coming from Saudi, from Kuwait. They have accommodation here. The ladies arranged accommodation for, of course, at a friendly bed space fee, and then they're allowed to attend classes. So they have extra classes, and so they're able to complete the course in quite a shorter period of time. Jex Institute does not only train you, but also absorbs you into their family. Here is a family spirit where you're counseled, you're pampered, you're encouraged, you're directed. You are given knowledge, you are given support in every way that you would wish to have it. And leave that alone. After the course, we make sure that we work along with you to endeavor, yes, ourselves all as a team, to see to it that you've gotten the job. We do not give you jobs because we don't have cafes or hotels as Jex Institute, but we made sure that we've connected ourselves with the given companies that are job offering. Yes, companies in a very good professional way, so that everyone they think of employing a barista, employing a roaster, or somebody that knows pastry, it's Jex Institute they'll think of. It's a Jex Institute for you. There is a lot of advantages. There is a lot of points, positive points, that are pulling you to coming to Jex Institute. Several of you have landed in wrong hands. You've gotten yourselves to, not necessarily wrong in the sense, but because it is individuals that are training, maybe they're doing coaching kind of training. Yes, you've ended up going with them. Of course, they've given you a few skills that they have, and with those skills, many of you are sitting around with them because no one can employ you, being that you only know the skill, but you don't have proof that you're a professional in a given profession. So here at Jex Institute, you're given an opportunity to be elevated to being a professional, one that will be recognized by a given company, one that will be taken on as a professional, employed at a professional level. Meaning, even when it comes to salary discussion between you and your bosses, you're discussing salary as a professional. You are going to be, taken as a professional, treated as a professional. Training material, working conditions are given you as a professional. This is what we are looking at as Jex Institute. It's an umbrella that is absorbing everybody, people from different nations, people of different walks of life, people of different education level, people that are speaking Arabic, people that are speaking English, Urdu, French, any other languages, people that are Christians or Muslims or Buddhists or nationalists, people of different caliber. All of them are here studying coffee, and when they go out there, many of them have started businesses, others have gone to work in their already made businesses as employees. All of you are welcome to Jex Institute. Remember, like I said, it's the right place for you to be. Let's improve ourselves, expatriates. Please move yourself to being a professional. It's only when you're a professional that you will be handled as one. But when you're not a professional, lovely, you cannot dictate how your employer will treat you. Jex Institute for all the nations here in the UAE. Welcome. Come and study with us. Let's improve our lives as expatriates here in the UAE.